We have launched Latitude 12 Rugged Extreme and Latitude 14 Rugged Extreme. This is an important product offering in our especially for the India market. And these are actually meant for targeted customers. We are ensuring our end-to-end product portfolio is getting covered up. As the name suggests, this is Rugged Extreme. Right? So it's mainly targeted for oil and gas industry, manufacturing floor, defense, and the list can actually go on, but it's targeted for specific customer sets who basically use a notebook in extreme conditions, be it the weather, be it the rough terrain, and so on and so forth. It will be mainly targeted for oil and gas, manufacturing, defense, and the list will basically go on. We are not going to restrict for these particular verticals, but these are the key verticals wherein they would find really a value of the features, the rugged extremeness these particular products have. Now these products we are not restricting for any particular segment or any particular way. It will be available through Dell-led team as well as to the Dell registered or authorized partners as well. We will approach directly to each and every customers. Around January this year, we have a go-to-market which we launched. We had a Dell-led accounts, which are the top 2,500 accounts in India, wherein Dell representative, Dell sales manager basically interacts with the end customer. Dell-led doesn't mean Dell is going to do only direct business with those particular customers. Again, based on the customer needs, even for Dell-led accounts, we use a partner network as well. So fulfillment can still continue to happen through the partners. And then we have next set of universe of accounts which are through the partner-led route to market, wherein some of our Dell accounts we have given to partners to work on, to nurture. And for those set of accounts, partners are basically involved into a discussion with customers on end-to-end solutions. And even for them, we have a channel account managers which are spread all across India who jointly work along with the partners. They go jointly and meet the end customers as well in terms of positioning Dell's product portfolio as well as the solutions. Right, so we are not going to restrict saying this particular product will be available in tier 1 cities only or tier 2 cities only. The answer is no. It will be available all across. And with the feature sets, right, meaning go to north, go to northeast, go to south, or even in west, right, meaning beat Jammu Kashmir, beat Siachen Glacier, northeast wherein huge mountains are there, in west you have the Rajasthan, and then again extreme weather conditions, and south as well. So again, be it CS consumer and small business as well as the commercial, we are very well placed. The IDC results basically show it all, right? Dell has been growing market share, be it quarter on quarter or year on year as well. So we are very well placed, and with the product lines coming in, right, we are actually again meeting the end customer needs and usage as well. So we are confident of maintaining the momentum. The go-to-market strategy मैंने बात की, right? उसमें से there is one more thing called distribution. So earlier the commercial products were not available in distribution route to market. Now we do have Optiplex as well as Latitude available through our distribution route to market. So in terms of, it's not about a marketing strategy, but the go-to-market what we have launched, what we have moved to beginning of this calendar year has been working really well, and we will actually continue to fine-tune that, continue to actually develop this particular go-to-market initiative what we have, and we are confident of doing this. What we have seen is SMBs also very much they are into the technology play. They would like to have latest in technology. Many customers are now having a discussion or conversation even in terms of the security features, in terms of durability as well as the reliability of the particular platform. And we have seen the trend getting really they are actually catching up on the technology front very well, and that's one of the reasons wherein Dell we firmly believe time to market, having right products available based on the customer needs, and meeting their meaning closing their business problems, addressing them, and resolving them as well. Workstations, I'm very much delighted to say Dell is number one in workstation based on IDC Q3 results, which were announced few weeks back. Going back to workstation, we are forerunner in workstations, not only in terms of the products which we have, but we have covered up each and every customer needs, be it a fixed workstation or mobile workstation. Recently, we announced two mobile workstations, Precision AIM2800 and Precision AIM3800, and again going back to the basic philosophy of meeting the customer needs, having the right product available to them, and then again growing the business. We are also working with key ISV partners to ensure that we have the right certifications available, we have the right performance available with the workstations as well. So today's launch was one of the example, right, wherein we are coming up with innovative platforms, right, and again covering up end-to-end product solutions. So it's not only about the client portfolio, right, but be it enterprise, be it different services offering or the Dell software offerings as well. So we will definitely have more information to come, but definitely winning. We are on a growth trajectory, and we are confident of maintaining that. See, we are not going to restrict any particular geography, right? We want to grow in each and every geography, each and every segment which we address.